Latest social media updates. Google introduces Google Extended to let you block barred Vertex AI via robots.txt. X may be developing an ad-free version of its premium subscription package. Google announces €1.5 million in scholarships for AI students. 26% of the top 100 websites are now blocking GPT-bot. Reddit removes the option to opt out of ad personalization based on in-app activity. $84 billion of ad spend lost due to ad fraud in 2023. Microsoft Advertising Network for retail launches in the US. Google Search Generative Experience adds about this result feature. Meta's new AI and VR push includes celebrity-influenced chatbots and next-gen smart glasses. Google will let publishers hide their content from its insatiable AI. Google to discontinue podcasts in 2024. Google launches SEO Made Easy YouTube series. Meta's new AI chatbot trained on public Facebook and Instagram posts. YouTube Music to integrate with Google Podcast. Microsoft Mesh for Teams launching in public preview next month. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.